Good morning, everybody. My name is Heri Widianto from Soil Science Department, Faculty of Agriculture, 11 Maret University. I will present my paper with the title The Effect of Agricultural Waste Biochar on the Availability of Silicon in Ultisol and Inceptisol under Fluid Condition. Introduction: silicon is not considered an essential nutrient, but is a beneficial nutrient for plant growth. Silicon affects the absorption, distribution, and function of the some nutrient in plant. The content of silicon in the soil varies greatly depending on type of soil, climate, geological material, characteristic of rock and mineral in the soil. Soil reaction have a significant role in the soil mineral weathering, silicon binding, and soil available silicon solubility. Reductive of soil condition also increase soil pH will support the reabsorption of silicon in solution, and thus there will be leaching and loss by runoff. As a result of the pyrolysis process, biochar can be used soil amendment. Addition of crop residue biochar in soil to soil can improve amount of the total and available silicon and nutrient. Silicon concentration in different biochar vary greatly, with a trend similar to those in its raw material. The content of available silicon in biochar varies greatly according to the different raw material, most likely due to the large variety of their total silicon. The study aims to know the effect of several kinds of biochar on the availability of silicon in two types of soil, and then the two types of soil used are inceptisol and ultisol to represent developing and highly weathered soil. Research method: the experiment used a complete randomized design with two factors, biochar and soil type. The first factor is consisting of rice straw, rice husk, sawdust, coconut shell, and corn store. And the second factor, soil type, consisting of inceptisol and ultisol. Each treatment replicated 3 times, and the experiment used 2 kilograms of soil placed in a bucket, and the dose of biochar was 5 tons per hectare. Incubation is carried out for 4 weeks by maintaining a water height of 5 centimeters. Soil observation parameters include organic carbon, and then total nitrogen, total silicon, available silicon, leachate silicon, and pH water. The data were analyzed using ANOVA and Duncan multiple rank test. Result and discussion: on the table 1, we can see that inceptisol has a slightly acidic pH with low total of silicon and available silicon, and then inceptisol show low organic carbon, total nitrogen, and soil CEC. Ultisol has a slightly acidic pH with low content of CEC, total nitrogen, and organic carbon. Ultisol also contain of low total silicon and available silicon. And then number 2, table 2, we can see that biochar has pH varies between 7.65 to 10.78, and then the organic carbon content biochar is obtained from low to very high. Effect biochar on and soil type on soil: total silicon, available silicon, and leachate silicon. In table 3, shown that adding biochar from various materials show a higher total silicon in inceptisol than in ultisol. And then the use of rice husk biochar in the soil of inceptisol and ultisol has a higher total SE content than biochar from other sources. Table 4 shows that the rice high biochar can also give a higher available silicon content than biochar from other material. And soil available silicon correlates with total silicon, licit silicon, and soil organic carbon. Figure 1, we can see that the silicon content in licit water varies between 0.22 to 0.51 milligram per kilogram with adding biochar. And the result of the correlation analysis show that licit water silicon correlate with organic carbon, total silicon, and available silicon. And the effect of biochar and soil type on soil pH and organic carbon, we can see that soil pH water increase in all biochar type compared to the initial soil pH, and then in the organic carbon, we can see that the use of biochar from rice straw resulted in a higher organic carbon content than biochar from other material. Conclusion in this study concludes that one biochar from rice has a higher total silicon and available silicon than other biochar. Rice husk biochar give a highest available silicon in insectisol and lutisol compared to the other biochar, and then the addition of biochar so is only ring from 0.18% to 0.37% SE of licit water from the total SE content on the soil of 5.23 to 8.66% from the soil available silicon. The result of the correlation analysis show soil available silicon correlate with soil total silicon, licit silicon, and soil organic silicon. Thank you for your attention.